Welcome to our updated guide on how to mute an account in X. Whether you want to temporarily silence someone's posts or hide their content from your feed, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device. Locate the app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer and tap to open it. Step 2. To mute a specific account, go to the desired account's profile. Alternatively, if you're on the home page, tap the 3 dots next to the desired account. Step 3. Look for the option labeled Mute and tap on it. This action will prevent the account's posts from appearing in your feed. Step 4. Before the changes take effect, you'll be prompted to confirm your step. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. By following these simple steps, you can easily mute an account in X and customize your feed according to your preferences. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative guides and tips. Enjoy a personalized experience with X.